Michelle with Pink and Maine, and I'm super excited to be here with you today to share our new subscriptions for February 2025. I got a great set of subscriptions for you this month, and I know you're going to love receiving your happy mail. So let's take a look at what we've got in store for you. I will start out with our foil subscription. So this month you're going to get a set of foilable the card panels, which are 4 by 5 1/4. You get 8 panels, and these are exclusive just to the subscription this month. So these will not be sold outside of the subscription. This little set here, I made this just for you, for our subscribers. So a special little something that only you guys will get. It's a nice set of sentiments that you just cut with your paper trimmer and foil. We've got hello, many thanks, just a note, congratulations, happy birthday, good luck, thank you, sending cheer, best wishes, and thinking of you. So perfect sentiments to use anytime and all the time. You just foil them, trim them, and add them to your cards. And I just noticed I put 2024 down there. I'm still thinking last year, I guess. You know, it takes some time to get used to using that new year, but this is a February 2025 subscription item just for you guys. Also in our foil subscription, you will get the foilable sheets, and these are called Spring Leaves foilable sheets. These will be available later in the month individually, but they are part of the foil subscription also. So they're just some beautiful spring leafy patterns. Just really fun backgrounds. Foil them in some beautiful spring colors. And you've got some great backgrounds for your cards. I'm giving you the positive and negative of the 4 different patterns for a total of 8. There you go. Just some beautiful leafy backgrounds. So that's part of the foil subscription. And you can't have the foil subscription without a new foil. And as I mentioned, using some beautiful spring colors. Our new foil for the subscription is Satin Coral. So you've got this beautiful coral color with a satin finish. So it's not overly metallic, but it has a beautiful shine. It's a gorgeous coral color. Don't think you will find beautiful coral foil like this anywhere else. This is our Satin Coral. It's part of the foil subscription. It will be available separately later in the month, but right now it's part of the foil subscription. Let's move on to our stamp and die of the month. Here we are. It's super cute. I love these little house plants and these adorable little planters that look like critters. So stinking cute. This is called Planter Friends. We've got some sentiments. Hello, friends, sending cheer. You're in my thoughts. So if you subscribe to the stamp of the month, you're going to get this 4 by 6 stamp set. If you subscribe to the stamp and die, you will also get the coordinating dies to go along with them. So that is the Planter Friends. Super cute stamp of the month. I can't wait to use these on some cards. So adding these fun little planter friends to your cards is just going to brighten anyone's day. Now let's talk about our Crafty Courtyard kit, which is our monthly subscription kit. This is our card kit. This kit is gorgeous. Let's go over what's inside. The theme of it is greenhouse. I did put February 2025 on my Courtyard kit flyer. The flyer that you get in the kit will tell you everything that's inside. I also try to give you some card sketches on the back. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I know you can't wait to see what's inside of here. This time I've given you some different ways to use what's in the kit. When we get to it, I'll tell you a little bit more about it. Let's talk about the paper that's in the kit. Wow, so we're giving you 2 specialty sheets in this kit. So we've got a beautiful green glitter, and then we've got a beautiful green, like foiled finish piece of paper. We have 4 of our 100-pound colored cardstock. We've got On the Green, we've got Riverwalk, we've got Brownstone, and then we've got the Park, which is a nice lime green, and then you get a sheet of our white cardstock. You get zippered mesh project bag. So for crafting on the go, for storing items, anything that you can use the mesh zippered bag for. This month, we're giving you a full pack of pattern paper. So there's 30 sheets in here. I'm telling you, this kit is packed full of goodies. This will be available, most all these items will be available later in the month to purchase as well, but you're going to want to grab this kit while you can, and we may even sell out of these. This is Distress Tones pattern papers. So there's 15 different colors here, so you get 2 sheets of each, and let me show you how cool these are. So you don't even have to get out your inks and your sprays and all that stuff to make some awesome distressed backgrounds for your cards. So we've got a red, we've got an orange, again you get 2 of each. We've got this nice bright, almost school bus yellow. Then we've got a yellow, look at that. Got a nice light green. Let me make sure I'm not missing a color. There it is. We've got this beautiful teal. We've got a darker green. Nice bright blue. And these are beautiful. I can't wait to create with these. We've got a nice navy blue, purple. We're still not done, guys. There's 15 different colors in here. We've got a nice light pink. Oh, we have a dark pink. And you can't forget your neutrals. You never forget your neutrals. You just don't know when you want a nice neutral. So we've got brown, we've got black, and we've got a gray. Love these. These are so cool. They're 8.5 by 5.5. They're easy to use for all your sizes of cards, right? You've got your A2 when you cut them in half. You can make smaller cards. You can do your slim line, your mini slim line. You can do so many sizes of cards and other projects with these. This is the Distress Tone pattern papers. We've got a fun little die set for you here. This is the Fun Sentiment Banners Set 3. So if that tells you anything, there might be some other sets coming later in the month, but this is set 3 that you're going to get. And it's got happy birthday, congratulations, congrats, hello, and happy day. So there are 2 layered banners. We have the back piece and the front. So it cuts out the sentiment on the front piece, and then you can layer another color behind it, just like the image shows on the back. So that's the Fun Sentiment Banner Set 3 dies. Going to get that in your kit. Here we go. This is the largest die set I have ever done so far. I cannot believe when I got it. Look at that. When I put the piece of 8.5 by 11 on it, look, it's just bigger than 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. I got it and I worried. I said, oh my gosh, is it going to fit in our kit box? It just does fit. Oh my. So this is our greenhouse pop-up card dies. This die will be for sale later in the month individually. It's a $40 die because it's huge. It's a huge die. It's still a great value at $40. Look how big this is. But you can get it in the Crafty Courtyard kit, $34.99. And not only do you get this die, you get all the other things I showed you. I'm going to open it up just so you can see I had them put the dies inside. So you have a nice little place for the dies to go inside, because I wanted a nice image on the packaging that shows what it looks like when it's finished. So see how you've got that nice little pop-up die? It's three-dimensional with the layers of greenery and then the front of the greenhouse, and then you've got the backing. On the back of it, you can stamp one of those little flower sayings, or you could put one of the banner dies from that Fun Sentiment banner right across the front here. You could put one of those banners. So you could put it on the front, or you could put it on the back. That's why I wanted to give you the sentiment dies. That way you have some sentiments to put with this fun pop-up card die. And on the back side of the packaging, I gave you a little bit of a tutorial on the different parts and how to piece them together. But it's fairly simple and self-explanatory. When you really start to cut them, you'll have the backing of the die. You've got the different leafy layers, but they'll even be, you'll know where to put them. We've got the front of the greenhouse here, and then all your greenery that just layers together is inside this awesome set of dies. And again, it makes that fun pop-up card die. So, what size is the pop-up card die, you may ask? It is A2 when folded flat. So it fits in your A2 size envelope when it's folded flat. So you don't even have to get a special envelope or make a bigger card. It makes an A2 size card when it's folded flat. I wanted to do that so that you can use your regular envelopes. And I wanted to bring over my card sketches, because my idea was behind this is these go beyond the pop-up card. So I took parts of the die, so like this big house plant here, and I put that on a card with the Get Well Soon. Didn't use all the pop-up features. On this one, I took some of the greenery from the pop-up card die and the front of the greenhouse, and then I stamped one of those flower stamps in a circle and put it on top and just made a card like that. Here's something similar. I just took parts and pieces from the greenhouse pop-up card die and put them on a flat card. And again here with just some leaves and a simple saying from one of those stamp sets. I used some of the distressed paper on some of these, but I wanted to show you some examples of how you can take a pop-up card die that has dimension but still use it in flat layers on your cards. So don't forget to think outside the box when creating your cards, that you can use the pop-up card die parts and pieces on your other cards. It just has lots of variety that you can do with it. Thank you again so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at what's in the Pink and Main subscriptions for February 2025. You can subscribe and find out more information at pinkandmain.com. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.